Good morning, students. We have learned many things about rational number. Now, you must be wondering where it is located on a number line. If you look at this number line, where is this natural number located? These are natural numbers. If I ask you whole number, then you will include this number. And integers will this way or this way. These are integers. But no, here we cannot find any rational number. If I ask you where this 1 by 2 located, it is located in between 0 and 1. It is located in between 0 and 1. If I make it half, then it become I have divided it in two equal parts, okay, and each part is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 is located here. If I ask you where this 1 by 4, now if this in between 0 and 1 by 2, if I divide it in two equal parts, okay, it becomes 1 by 4. Same way, if I ask you 1 by 3, so you have to divide it's again in between 0 and 1. You have to 1 by 3, you have to divide it in 3 equal parts, and this one will be 1 by 3, 2 by 3, this one will be 3 by 3, means ones. Okay, this is 1 by 3. Now, if I ask you where this 7 by 5 located, so now you have understood that between 0 and 1, or each part has to be divided in 5 equal parts. How many equal parts? 5 equal parts. So let's divide. Now each part, this is 1 out of 5. This is, I have divided in 5 equal parts, and each part is 1 by 5. So this is 1 by 5, this is 2 by 5, this is 3 by 5, this is 4 by 5, this is 5 by 5, means 1. If we continue on this line, I'll get the next point I'll get is 6 by 5, and here it is 7 by 5. Okay, so this you have to remember that when you are representing a rational number on a number line, that each part has to be divided in equal parts equal to its denominator. If it is 7 by 5, you have to divide each part in 5 equal parts. If I ask you to represent 1 by 8, then each part, or in between 0 and 1, or each number, you have to divide it in 8 equal parts. Okay, this is the approach you need to follow when you have to represent a rational number on a number line. Next is, if I ask you how many rational numbers are present in between two rational number. How many rational number present in between two rational number? So let's see. When 1 by 2 or 1 by 4 or 1 by 3, it is easy to say that they are located in between 0 and 1. If the rational number is between 10,000 and 10,001, it is not be feasible to separate between 0 and this. So first we have to locate the two integers in between which the rational number located. If say 1 by 2, we have seen where it is located. So if here it is, now if I make it half, I'll get 1 by 4. If I make it again half, I'll get 1 by 8. What do you think? These are the only rational number in between 0 and 1? Let's see. We can well write 1 by 2 as 10 by 20. Both numerator and denominator are multiplied by 10. So we can well write this 1 by 2 as 10 by 20. So after 10 by 20, we can write 11 by 20, 12 by 20, 13 by 20, 14 by 20, 15 by 20, 16 by 20, 17 by 20, 18, 19 by 20, 20 by 20. Now 20 by 20 is 1. So it is half and this is 1. So between half and 1, how many rational number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 rational number. How many rational number? 9 rational number. Now 1 by 2, we can write it as well 4 by 8. Both numerator and denominator I have multiplied by 4 by 8. Sorry, 4. So after 4 by 8, you can see 5 by 8, 6 by 8, 7 by 8, 8 by 8. 8 by 8 is 1. So in between half and 1, how many rational number? 1, 2, 3. Same way, we can write 1 by 20 as 100 by 200. So 100 by 200, after 100 by 200, it is 101 by 200, 102 by 200, 103 by 200. Same way, if we continue, 199 by 200, 200 by 200. 200 by 200 is 1. So in between 100 by 200 and 200 by 200, we'll get 99 rational number. So we can write how many rational number we are getting. Here 99 plus 3, 102, 111. Okay. But these are not the only rational number you will get. We can write 1 by 2 in plenty of way. So we will get many rational number in between half and 1. Understood? There exist countless rational number between any two rational number. Between any two rational number.